gosh, I didn't do late. Hell, I want a magazine later. Mama, what about your page? No, it's good though. I have to dispute it now. Facebook brought the video back, but they cut me off short. I had to dispute it. Or because of the glitch Facebook had today. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what happened. But I know mine couldn't allow me to log in. I'm like, okay. But all because the this evening. I don't know what's actually I don't know really what happened. But nevertheless, because I local saga. Can somebody alert me? Man, at this side now, walk it back. Can I at this local end? Can I Memte the count I was up Jeba bomb. Nah, everywhere bomb. Okay, I don't hear. I don't hear. So can you look at saga? I want to over. Let me not exaggerate. I want over 30 pages. So pages is not my problem. I have over 30 pages, so that one is not even a problem. And building a page is not a big deal for me. I can build a page in a takeoff and 1 week. Yeah. So that one is not a problem. My name is already a footprint and a fingerprint in social media. It doesn't matter whether you like it or not. The queen, the name is there already. It doesn't matter how you take care. Come on. It's already there. So it will not take long. You want to go? Even if whatever. As far as that name is mentioned. Oh! You know, the content creators to go for my rest. Ah, Grega. You know, the content creator. Even when I was saying it, people did not believe me. When I told you that they had a meeting and Jpac started paying them, I just remember wedding, no problem. Bid up war upon his lost son, the first money up for 500K. What on top? Oh, that useless idiot now when I got just now get one system I get Jpac at the game. What are the useless top? Oh, near 500,000. Remember me abro wagra. Na nere pushum one that useless wagra. That's what I'm coming tomorrow. Make una relax. I want to know okay ni nebu anyi than me fe. Oh. I don't need a content creator. I will destroy all of you. If I don't do them, When I go talk, when I collect money, they talk rubbish. What you don't sabi? All of you went up money, no go see peace. What I go? In my way, I don't want to be DF. I told me again, may deviate here from the main target. Jpac is fighting everything means to make sure I'm gonna happier. I'm gonna give my hog not lie. And when anything no make out, when may a security up put up in there, and then many after him tomorrow. Oh God, they call cool. Wagra. Ablamunu. Totaramu video that girl lumina or minima. And the minima will not be the first person. This is how useless they are. They want Okongu infection on a hebu. Onyana boy infection, a kidnapper, he could not go and rescue. Let idiots see them. Punch of idiot. Okongu the key hega amuta. Jada make the Jordan voice notation. Akwa Gabama, Wamugana, go. Every infection abugagi. Kimamu kine amwa kena koroyo on 500,000. That ain't your. You can't even talk. Who did they give work? Who did they give work? Imagine on your Akwa Bam. Yana the keep it with the mono. You don't want mad though. Una de mad. So Jpac every means. She made petri. So many distractions. But I want to bega. Man, why you first got the men? Those incompetent men, because I feel they are men. No woman should challenge them. That is why when you they are just but you know working that feeling that the only women you can't talk to them because they are men. No, go create this on a content to the entire life. I get create content. Una Malaysia no dia. We go film. Tomorrow I'm off. Thursday I'm off. Oga the hot. You want to go? So Jpac, if you like, be a go bru urega one ga ko tula. Now what? That's so shower they take do now. Our shower, so I get put on a guy and after all, I'm a club. What's it called? Sign me. After all, I'm a club. So if you would ask about me, I go to that. It's a thing. See, I can understand my saga. My saga are bad. My saga, I can understand it. All these things you're playing, I can feel. Sometimes in my video, I go to watch them. I can be relating to what you're passing through. Why haven't you sat down and think about, say, why is it that Ogechi Okeke? You have to be in group. You don't get the group with him. So I can understand your predicament. Also, like a para what it cannot stop the pain you're passing through. Look at the pain. You go inside, you get such a help. You keep fetching for Iba Beba. I can understand. Or there is easy to stand me. Or there easy. Trust me. Trust me. Not easy. So I watch them he mega. He bega pega one ga kotula. He bega she's a local local shower. Is a local shower is normal thing. You want to go? I can relate to your pain. Or the painful. You want to go? That MC hallelujah. You come ga reply again. Tomorrow I go reply you. It's not today. Na police Jpac no. Cash no. Police become na moto. Now tomorrow, me go reply you. Trust me. You want to go? My little kingdom has beginning to torment all of you. And when him no Zion no they pay me. Just say natural love it can matter my importance. The day Ngapu here, man, I'm gonna join you and do me now. It can matter how hard, how bad they want me. I got target kaji. I got target kaji. If you don't know what I'm standing to prevent, don't worry. Tomorrow you will understand. And that this my little kingdom has beginning to torment people like you. You want to go? That thing where you define figure, you get what they are come. You want to go? Like I said, we do brutal saga. Now because I can go back here tomorrow. That I can adopt Putaga Pampurang, but will be now because Jpac is looking for everything to take this pen away from him. But she can get make address. Make address. I'm a coprogi video for the next time. Because I'm gonna for you. I will come for you. Yes, I will. I'm gonna be for you. Because I know that you want every right to look for my number to call me. Okay? You want any right whatsoever to come to add my name to your stupidity. You understand what I'm saying? It's not like you don't know him again. It's already proof. It's already proof to some people that we are telling you to tell Ogechi to stay away from Zion. You want to prove that you are the best? You know that thing you're looking for. You get what they are come. I know snack. I just respect na daddy. But I I'm a study small. So nobody should come and say, okay, leave her. No, because yesterday I called Akwa. Akwa called you. Why one assassin? He can't want to go to the heat inside. He don't want to go to the heat. He not going to what you're facing through as I'm standing now. I will add to your pain. Keep it on him. If I don't make you lose that position, Zion, it can matter my power. You will understand me. It can matter what I stand for. Each and nobody one thinks it's everybody that you come. Oh, you go feel them. Don't worry. All after Jpac, I will return to your matter. But because I told him that Jpac in when this all this thing on our course, so I not go leave him. I not go leave him. The lie, I not go leave him. You want to go? I can make you small tomorrow. My PGM get small. Happens first, I don't even care what about like the video that the kingdom is rising again because you knew all these things. You started your uselessness. Okay? If you ever come to my platform again, in fact, have you guys done a little bit of what? All because of me. Kadadiji went to peace in this blue app today. Where were you when Udela was planning if make a henine? Where were all of you? Nah, you didn't know what brought that video? Imagine put that video. I could put a small video, and you knew again when the audacity to mention my name. So you can address me in public, but you cannot look for my You did not look for my number. If I'm asking, who the fuck are you? I even address you peacefully, calmly. Shiga will not be this calm. Get you to after you came out to say, who are you? What I would not want you. You are very hopeless man. It is very useful to tell them tomorrow. Near my local saga unit. Jem Campion Internet. Campegia. Chineka Bogo Kun. You want it? Who are you? Onye won neck on your monoke. Ije mema ina mema trust wonye. Arabo wapu na anya. This is the up you that's opposition there. Oneke. Okagini me. Eyirim gi deport catch deport woge. To that. Tell him tomorrow. You not go like me. Nobody should. I'll get what I'm okay, no problem. Because I respected you. So, Iman Akabe Neki Wani, why did you mention my name in the first place? Oh, useless, confused Igbo man. Imami Weibo, Imami Bish. Take a Pakoku. Take a Pakoku. So who are you? Ogechi. Why do you think Jpac cannot even stand? Now Jpac planned to come and tell the whole world that he had to poison these people. That was why this second saga started. It's not a plan China how to come and start war everywhere. What be with the phone. You won't. Can you stand this monsters? You won't. Can you stand all these devourers? Them shall stand there. You won't. Thunder my produce set of brain. Ibabi use page to address it unegi. Ibabi in your monsters and beasts that advice what I'm tiga there. Get what she can name up with, but turn the bob walk it here. Hold on, check I'm paying you. This place is not for you. Hold on, let me block your destiny. Oh yeah, Otilo, Shingafo, Ofeke Negi, idiots. Somebody you will mess with. Let me turn my AC. Oh, AC and pneumonia now. That's why I don't like turning it on. Na AC anyamanga igenwe cold. Ma mo kan do charge na AC motor. Look at no I show get am I warning him. Oh, in fact no, it's not even gonna be warning again. It's not gonna be warning again. And I'm on doing my thing without minding whether you exist. You are among these people. You are pretending of what you're getting from there. I'm going to go. And I'm collect go from anybody. I do what I do because I know who these people are. I know who they are. I know how can they destroy people's reputation on social media. What can you do? What have you done? Can you defend the bitch? Idiots. Idiots. What do you no, wait for me tomorrow. Just relax tomorrow. You go feel them when I will sit down. To the test of your time. Idiots. Foolish idiots. When I go to a position. You belong and there's on America their group. Did you ever see me? They said I'm a member of Zion here. Group. What I do it out of love. Because you guys don't know how to present love. I made that video if I'm in a position, if anything enter problem that Ebukobi cannot save, that I will do it. Yes, I am about love. Love is unconditionally. I don't fake anything in my life. I'm a very practical being. I said it. Yeah, complete that part. You know, you didn't see that part. The same time, I made that back up with that video. The same time I made that video. You did not see that one. Idiots. Can you get a name? Get a name? Get a name on social media. Idiot. And guy destroy that. It's a video. But view. That's all you guys can do. Dala. I'm working in public open warning. Ibari publicly address. Did you say you be who? That each in America, but I can get deported. Gabana from rubbish English. Idiots. And when he came and I get, so he begin to hear war doctor, war nurses, one tawimo. Idiots. No, dear me, oh. No, dear me. What kind of rubbish is that? And I go with video and are you crazy? Your platform as sketch but na wuronye. My phone number, you can't search for it. You can't fucking, but you can see my video. You can see the video, Guru. You bloody motherfucker. You don't know how to reach me? Why would you fucking address me in public? While the addressing is coming from somebody that defends Zion. Yeah. No start, oh. No start, oh. No start. You are very hopeless. You are a very useless man. You are very useless. It is very, very hopeless. Onye me porn ne kuka onto the here make amana their brain, their IQ is very poor. Make una go one more. I don't want them to say and I make una go one more. A body daft. You don't have common sense. You don't use your brain. You only use your dick to put inside pussy and call it. Get buru katonishi mama hinebushi. Are you not? If your brain not the function, can't you see? You son of a bastard! I be my address in public. The funny part, the so-called idiot to copy it and be posting it under my comments. I didn't even know you made the video about me. Because this is what they are waiting for. They know they couldn't penetrate me. They know how more about for them. They know I'm choking them here. I am that thing you can never break. No matter how many unute, I am ready to stand it. Help me for no one you know my cuckoo. No one you not him not too. No one you got him not too. Kahage jisi. Me tongue the bob walk it here. Everyone who come on thinking faculty, your brain does not fucking work. Could you imagine an insult? Chikiganu from me. Tomorrow you will get to hear from me. And if you don't take your time, Ebahen Ogadrigi hot, you get shitty out for very soon. Keep fucking with me. Keep fucking with me. Idiot, you want to come and open mouth to address? Did you what on ye? Did you what on ye? Who the fuck are you? Now social media I do. Anybody where insult me on social media go come give it to you water. Nobody should come inside and be telling okay, don't worry because of that. I know they hear that part. Come on, Shinga for blood pressure. Come on, get out of here. Oh, yeah, fuck off from my page. Blood pressure. Ndala. Bunch of idiots. I remember my case here coming. I will the brain engine behind social media. Rubbish there. You don't reason when you talk. I don't see no brain. All because of you support Zion. Or because of his support, you talk carelessly. Idiots. Come on, fuck off my face. Can help me collect him do a Jpac. I know here. That put a distraction. Put a distraction in the midst. Come and celebrate. You knew that video was a past video. Why even including my name in that mess? You want yara? And I bought MC Pashoko, and I bought MC brainless bastard. I disfigure by your brain that doesn't work. In a bay with Tremon. Whoa! Hold on. Before you go pity my husband, I go pity that your useless father that gave back to you. Oh yeah? Fuck off! Shinga for his son. Stupid, useless idiots. Bunch of foolish things. Pascal Chema, if you comment rubbish again, my block will go. I'm not here for that one rubbish go. My block will go. If you comment rubbish again, I'll block your existence. My God, but I got business. Something that will bend down, you can't bend down. Abulam Shinga phone on my page. You now the one who makes show. The one who makes show. That wouldn't have the attack is coming from other end. Match okay after all. Yeah, we're coming from other direction. Could you imagine? Don't worry, you will not like me tomorrow. Now, but the man about Jpac. But I give me a bench your matter. Face J because I'm a Jpac choga. You know, go get them. I'm gonna get a position on Patonia Megagani. Some girls. Have you ever seen me in any Zion crown? They got a church here. Because I know when I get feeling that Ogechi, I'm taking man, no, and defend what I love genuinely. Defend what I love genuinely. So no position in Zion. And when I been on Zion branch, I should not get you belong to here. I do my thing to stay away from because I'm an Ihoge, but then I'm jealous. Okay, I am block you. Go fuck off. Go and take care of your own family problem. Don't worry about my own family. Go and take care of your useless family that you couldn't take care of. Don't worry about my own family. Do now all this kind of woman will not problem. That woman you guys cannot surprise. Yes, demona me. As far as I go become the defending, my husband they love it to the core. So can't you see aware now? You useless hopeless man that want to come and comment. You want to know? As far as Nadim love it. So you are not party. Go and control your anyone or warrior that cannot speak. My husband love what I do. Yeah, so deal with it. If you don't like it, go and take care of those slaves or your sisters and your wife if you ever marry anyone anywhere. Go here and control him. You can't control me, idiot. Darling. Bunch of idiots that couldn't handle their family problem. And I bet on my own to find out. Does it mean that they find out? Come on, fuck off, you. It has to be a family problem that is dealing with you. Because you guys could not suppress pain. All your propagandas, all your lies. Oh, Ogechi Okeke with no evidence, just to talk rubbish. You guys cannot use all these lies to subdue me. Dala. If I ever one day today support to Bataya stand on all this hate now will reverse. How many people are defending Ebukobi? How many people? You guys will understand my impact. Don't worry. Don't worry. Did them decide Rishi? I don't do this thing again. I just mind my business. You will understand that I'm agenda no. But it matter that I'm their problem. Why they cannot move muscle? But it matter my importance. Okay? Anything I'm decided. She, I don't mind my business. I'm not talking. Even you're talking good, you're talking bad. I don't want to get involved. I'll be doing my thing for us. By then, Kega matter important Ogechi. That day Kega matter. No more about the tabashina hozo that they cannot move a muzzle. Don't worry. Keep poking the tribune against anything in Azayo. Keep poking me. It's your scholar feeling intimidated. He feel that they want to get a hand answer. And when any American Zion branch or no Ogechi on their group. Or you know that they want to Ogechi. Oh, should they come our Zion ground? Have you ever seen me there? I do my thing on my one man's word. And on my women. That day, Kiga matter. Even you that cannot even talk. You that want hold the common sense. You that cannot even open your mouth and talk. Kamuki shall be standing in the midst of all these devourers. Let me see how you can stand Jpac that planned all the evil. Plan a get bit on the shape because this time. If it's not this attack bananishi. Aya. F off. Otila. Yeah? Okay? What I go? That day Kigamata. The importance of Ogechi. Don't worry. Keep just sing your hopeless life. Idiots. Ibranga for purpose. Am I dragging any position with you? Favor found me. Stay there. They cry. They do what they do. Me and you, we are not in the same anyanas or anything. Police here now. My guys trying to become police no. I'm turning here upside down. I want to fail because no, from one day. Now, thank God I don't even run too much late. You know, yesterday, mini zero. So, I'm on 11 minutes late. Don't worry. Uzochukwu David, after this program, I'm going to block again. You that is clicking mad face on a good comment, I will definitely block you out of this page.